Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Take a look at these little colorful candies. They're everywhere. In movie theaters, in vending machines, in our homes. But what if I told you that one of the world's most famous treats was originally invented, for soldiers? And that its iconic slogan, "Melts in your mouth, not in your hand," wasn't just clever marketing, it was a solution to a serious problem. Get ready, because today we're cracking the shell on the story of candies, from a wartime innovation to the candy that conquered the world. So, how do they create these perfectly uniform, colorful little gems? The process is a fascinating blend of art and science. Let's break it down. It all starts with the heart of the candy, milk chocolate. The liquid chocolate is poured into tiny molds to create the perfect, bite-sized candy shape. Once cooled and hardened, these are the chocolate centers. This is where the magic happens. The chocolate centers are placed into huge rotating drums called pans. As they tumble around, they are sprayed with thin layers of liquid sugar syrup. Each layer hardens, and the process is repeated over and over, sometimes for hours. This slowly builds up the crisp, colorful candy shell. Once the shells are vibrant and hard, it's time for the signature stamp. A special machine gently rolls over the candies, printing the famous M on each one with edible white ink. The process is so precise that it doesn't crack the delicate shell. To get that beautiful, glossy shine, the candies are given a final tumble with a polishing agent. This makes them look as good as they taste. Finally, the finished candies are mixed together, weighed by high-speed machines, and sealed into their classic bags, ready to be shipped all over the world. So, what's the secret? Why have candies remained a favorite for over 80 years? First, there's the perfect texture combination. The satisfying crunch of the shell followed by the smooth, melting chocolate inside. It's a multi-sensory experience. Then there's the color. The bright, playful rainbow of candies just makes us happy. They're fun to look at, fun to sort, and fun to eat. And finally, there's the power of nostalgia. For many of us, candies are the taste of childhood, of movie nights, and of simple, happy moments. They aren't just candy, they're a piece of our history. So, from a practical snack for soldiers to a global candy icon, the story of candies is as rich and colorful as the candies themselves. If you found this video interesting, please give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you never miss another story behind the things we love. And now for the most important question. Drop a comment below and let us know your favorite candy's color. Does it taste better than the others? Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.